Traditionally, diagnostics have been developed in a very linear fashion, right? If you've got 5 DTCs, you're looking up 5 PDFs with a separate lists of root causes, separate procedures, and then you have to use your human intelligence to go, okay, I see I've got 5 shared root causes between these issues. I'm going to zero in on that area. I'm going to perform a test. Hopefully you're not guessing, right? And then I'm going to confirm that fix, make the repair. So breaking up the DTCs and symptoms into separate areas from the possible root causes and having those mapped, along with the tests being mapped to those possible causes and the inputs riding along as well, gives the ability within a digital platform to be able to dynamically reprioritize. That is the key to guided diagnostic platforms as a whole.